Hi, I'm Nate from Heidolph, and today I'm going to be showing you the Tornado Plus overhead stirring system. The Tornado Plus overhead stirring system is an upgrade to your existing Carousel 6 or purchasable as a system that takes the Carousel 6 and gives it overhead stirring capabilities. The Tornado Plus uses one overhead stir to drive 6 motors, giving you that consistent overhead stirring between all 6 flasks. That paired with your hot plate, giving you heating. The reason why you might choose the Tornado system over the standard Carousel 6 system is if magnetic stirring isn't getting the job done. In cases where you have more viscous samples or where your magnetic stir bars might be crushing fine powders. Your overhead stirrer and hot plate can both be controlled remotely through our Ava software. Our Ava software allows you to control the stirring and heating aspect of your process over different periods of time, while also logging all the data that goes on in your experiment. That was the Tornado Plus overhead stir. Thank you very much.